Would you like to provide your customers access to a gallery of all their respective jobs as their parts move through the production process, where their information is updated in real time and password protected so that they only have access to the jobs that your company is manufacturing for them? If that's of interest to you, keep watching. Hi, my name is Jeremy Taylor. I'm the owner of Defiant CNC, where we provide solutions to real problems in CNC machining and advanced manufacturing. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can give our customers access to a job gallery so they can view the status of their parts as they move through the production process. So without any further ado, we'll jump into my screen and I'll show you how we go about doing this. When we receive a new purchase order from a customer, we'll have to do two things. Upload the part so our machinists know exactly the part that we'll have to machine, and connect it to a new job. So first of all, we'll upload the part. You simply launch the part form and enter in all the pertinent information. So we'll enter the part number, the revision, description of the part. In this case, we're going to make a fixture plate. Here you can upload a print or a solid model. We have a PDF print for the fixture plate here, so we'll upload that. After the print's uploaded, we select a customer. In this sample base, I only have one customer uploaded. Here, we select the type of material that we're going to be machining, and finally, the size of the material that we'll be machining. So it's going to be a 1/4 inch rectangular bar, 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch. So we submit the form, and after this form is submitted, we can go to our part info grid, and you can see that in fact the part has been added. Here's the print that we uploaded in order to manufacture the part. Next, we'll have to create a new job and connect that part to this job. So similarly, we launch the job form. We give it a job number, a purchase order number. We connect it to the part that we entered first. Here we designate a quantity that we're going to machine for the customer. And finally, a due date for the part. If we go to our base and view the job info grid, we can see that our job has in fact been added. In order to give our customer access to our job gallery, we simply choose the job gallery, press the button that says share this view, and it will give us a URL that we can send to the customer. Here you can opt to restrict access utilizing a password, or you can turn it off and remove the password. In this case, we'll use the password, so we toggle that switch and enter our password. Then we can email this URL to the customer, and if they go to this URL, they'll be prompted to enter the password. Once the password's entered, they'll be able to see the job gallery. Here is the job that we just entered. Here it shows the quantity ordered, 55 pieces, the due date, September 27, 2019. The status of the order is new job created. Now, all of that information will be updated in real time as we update the status of the job in our base. So if we move this from new job created to creating a program/solid model, we can see if we go back to this tab and refresh that the status has been in fact updated. Well, I hope this video was informative. If I can answer any questions, please feel free to email me at jeremy@defiantcnc.com, and also visit our website, www.defiantcnc.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.